Full pursuit. I'm gonna tase you. You better stop. 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 Put your hands on your back.
Sorry.
I don't know if you noticed on the walls, but this is like a no trespassing area.
Shoot, I was just in here doing my makeup. I'll leave right now.
What's that?
I was just in here doing my makeup.
Okay, do you have an ID?
I don't have it. It's over here down at Denny's.
Huh?
It's here at Denny's.
It's at Denny's, your ID?
Yeah, it's in my wallet over there.
What's it doing over there?
It's in my friend's car.
Your friend's car. What's your last? What are you doing here?
I was just putting on my makeup.
And what are you waiting on? Somebody or
Yeah.
what? Who are you waiting on?
My friend.
Where's he at? Just stay right here. Don't go nowhere. Just come back here. 7, 8, 9. Go. Full pursuit. I'm gonna tase you. You better stop. 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 Put your hands on your back.
Sorry.
Put your hands. Stop. Stop running. Stop running.
Okay.
Stop running.
I'm done, okay.
Put your hand on your back. Put your hand on your back. Put your hand. Stop. Roll on your stomach. Roll on your stomach.
Yes, sir!
Stop resisting.
I wasn't doing anything.
You're not going anywhere. Put your hand behind your back. Put your hand behind your back. Put your hand behind your back. 7, 8, 9 Central behind the Goodyear. Put your hand behind your back.
Please help me!
Boy's gonna help you.
Help me!
Put your hand behind your back. Put your hand behind your back.
Help me! Please help me! Help me! Can you please help me?
Put your hand behind your back.
Please help me! I'm not doing anything wrong!
Put your hand behind your back.
Yes, sir! I'm not
You're not
doing
going
anything.
anywhere.
I'm not even doing anything wrong.
Negative.
I wasn't doing anything wrong.
Put your hand behind your back.
You can't. You're not letting me. You're not letting me. I
still
can't
trying to
move. You're not letting me move.
Yeah, you're not gonna let go.
You're
Let
trying to
go.
put my hand behind my back. I'm not even doing anything wrong.
Stand up.
I wasn't even doing anything wrong.
What's your sergeant? Auto checker. Checker. And
I wasn't even doing anything wrong.
Do you have anything on you? It's going to stick or poke me in any way. Spread your feet.
No, I don't have nothing at all.
Spread your feet.
Nothing wrong.
spread your feet. Listen.
Do you have any needles? I don't want to get poked.
Nothing else.
Spread your feet.
Stuff in my back.
Wait for.
I'm gonna help you down, all right? Just take it one step at a time. There you go. You go over here to the left.
No.
You good, Benny?
No. No.
Turn your face the wall. Drugs, evidence, weapons. That's contraband to your body.